guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tinyj. I'm back with another video. As you can tell, your girl done did, I don't know what kind of look I did, y'all. I was just in the mood of doing some type of look. I really don't know what kind of look this is. I'm not gonna say this is a soft glam because I got this like bold look. Bold lip. Y'all, I'm sorry, excuse my voice. I am getting over this sore throat. I don't know where it came from. It just came out of nowhere, so excuse me if my voice sounds a little off. Yeah, that's what's going on. But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna name this video. Maybe I'm gonna just do soft glam with a bold lip. That's what I'm gonna call this video. This look came out okay. I didn't know what I was gonna do, but I think I like it. Like, I think I look kind of cute or whatever. What y'all think? Y'all think I look cute? No? Yeah, kind of. Not really. I don't know, but I think I look kind of good. I think I look kind of good, y'all. So y'all ain't gonna tell me that I had lipstick on my teeth or whatever, but yeah, I think I look kind of cute. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.